Hi everyone, welcome back to Diamond Paints with Mike, with me, your host Mike. Today we return to the wonderful world of Amazon. Yes, that's right, and in this one is a real bargain. This is a 20x20 and it also comes with a really great frame. So I can't wait to show you this. This came in today. Amazon delayed one of my packages, so got in touch with Amazon and they very kindly give me a £10 gift card for the inconvenience of the delay, and yeah, so I didn't have to pay anything for this, which was quite nice. So let's get into this. The set includes tweezers or stylus, container for your rhinestones, acrylic rhinestones, canvas with a picture scheme, and the job instruction. There's a massive collection of these as well, so I will put this in the video description. You can also click on the different ones that they do as well. Now in here, what I love about these is that I think I paid like literally £3.99 for this. It was really dead cheap. And in here you can already see we have ourselves the frame. We'll get to that a little bit later on, but as you can see in here, this is the canvas itself. And are you ready? This is a hedgehog and I just had to have it. Look at that, people. It's got the little pumpkin. And it's given me like a really autumn vibe. What I can tell you is I've got quite a few of this collection, and all the different ones that they do, and their prints are fabulous. You can see how crystal clear this is. You've got, I think these are trees here, and then you've got a shed load of pumpkins here, and as always we've got that lovely butterfly cropping up in the corner there. I feel like this hedgehog is a little bit naughty. I think he's just wandered off into the pumpkin patch just to gobble up all the pumpkins. And it's got like a flower in its hair there, so yeah, I think this is going to be like a really cool one, and it's giving me like an autumn vibe. This will be completed like extremely quickly. It's such a lovely one. They do also put the dotted line around the edge so you can cut your borders off. A lot of the diamond painters in the diamond paint community do like to cut their borders off, me including that, because I love to cut mine off. I do tend to put washi tape on them, and then afterwards I will cut that off. And yeah, so that is our painting. Let's just check the stick. It's only came in today. I only ordered it last night, so it's quite nice, and a beautiful stick. I think these are going to be a really lovely canvas once it's completed. I'm not entirely sure what that is. I think that's like a honey pot or something, but this is absolutely gorgeous, isn't it? So let's put that to one side. We have ourselves the plastic frame. So not only do you get your canvas, you get yourself a beautiful frame to go with it. I'm not the biggest fan of the plastic frames, but what I will do is, let me get my scissors. What I will do is I will probably, I was thinking perhaps there's a place, there used to be a place in Witham that cut glass to, you could ask them to cut glass to a specific size, and I think that's long gone now, but there must be companies out there that can make glass to fit this, because obviously for health and safety reasons they do obviously do it in plastic. But as you can see, this does come with a film, so you can see there's like little air bubbles there. This does peel off, it is plastic, and then obviously you've got your frame. So if we was to pop the little canvas in there, imagine that it's in there, because obviously it won't fit with the border on it. You can turn it around and then you've got that beautiful frame there. How nice does that look in a white frame? I think it does look better with white frames rather than your black frames. Depending obviously what the picture is. If it was a dark canvas with darker colours, you probably want your black frame, but I just think that is so beautifully done. Really fabulous. And also you get yourself your little your little back in there. So what you can do is you can pop that onto there, put that up there, and then obviously you get the option to either hang it, and then, or if you want it on your side, you can do that. Absolutely fantastic. I am over the moon with this. It's absolutely gorgeous. And the return of the bags. Lovely jubbly. I've been needing some of them. So I recently de-kitted the tiger, you see, so I'm working on Valentine's at the moment, so I need trays desperately and bags desperately to kit up. So yeah, in here it's going to be really sparkly. I have found that most of the collections in this series always come with your sparkly jewels. So as you can see in here, we've got some gorgeous colours. We've got yourself an amber, a black, and you've got yourself sort of like, I think Roxanne calls that a root beer colour, orange, and we've got a sort of, yeah, sort of tango looking orange there, a red, sort of bronzy colour again, a light blue, another light blue, a green, a sort of goldy green, a pink, and a silver. I think Liz Harrison might like this painting as well, because I think she's done hedgehogs over the years. We've got ourselves some orange drills here, as you can see, a gorgeous sort of really dark black orangey sort of colour there, and an orange. So as I said, you get all this in one kit for £3.99. That's a bargain. As I say, Amazon prices do fluctuate, so you might find that you pay a little bit less or a little bit more, but I will put the link in the description for you, and if you're a Prime member you can get it the next day. But anyway, thank you for joining me this evening to watch this. Please remember to like, share, subscribe if you haven't done so already. We've got a brand new launch on the channel in diamond painting tomorrow for Valentine's, and yeah, new painting hits the channel tomorrow, so be tuned, stay tuned for that, and get ordering this today, because while it's at £3.99 you've got a bargain there. So yeah, thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, tap the notification bell if you want to be notified as and when a video pops up on the channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.